Hello YouTube, Mr. Maxadom1, and I am here with a how-to video. My dealership's going to be backed up for a while for doing some tire repairs, so and they said that they would be able to put me in a lot sooner if I take my own tire off and bring it in. So I've already done it once before. I didn't record it because I didn't have a camera at the time, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what all you need and how I do mine. I don't have any rear stands or anything like that. In my garage here, I'm just using the rafters and a tie strap, which is kind of dangerous because, you know, the bike moves. And I got the ratchet strap on the opposite side of that. I'm using the jack stand on. But it's fairly easy. It's not too hard. All you need is a 12-inch adjustable wrench. And this here could be on this side or on the other side. Either or. But this tire is going to come right off. When you get this tire jacked up, make sure you got enough room underneath the tire. Get a little light here, that way it makes it a little easier. But whatever you do when you go to take these tires off, don't mess with your adjusters. They just leave them right where they're at. Now, if you go to put the tire on and it's a little bit off, then there are little, see, I don't know if I can see them right now or not, but there are little slashes on the inside here where you can kind of tell where you need to pull it back. So you use that as like a guideline because there's a bunch of different little slashes there. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this thing off. Hopefully I can get this the right way. Make sure I'm turning it. Bike wants to move. That's the wrong way. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, right? Oh. So once you get this off, be very careful because you do have spacers on both sides of the tire. And you don't want to lose them. Now, I did not take them off when I took my last tire before. But this time I'm going to take them off before I go to the shop. That way they don't lose them and I don't lose them. It's a lot safer that way. Oh, there we go. Just set those to the side. Now, this is what I had trouble last time with. It's probably best to use like a rubber mallet or a piece of board because you're going to have to take a hammer or something. You might be able to wiggle it through if you move your wheel a little bit. But I just usually just take a hammer and hammer that through. See where's, oh, and you can see on this other side how it's come through. You might be able to, yeah, wiggle your tire a little bit. You don't want to lose that. Oh. Come on. Yeah, just wiggle your tire a little bit. And once you get this rod out, trying to not have that piece come out. That's what I'm trying to. And that didn't work. So I'm just gonna put that back here. Now once you get this rod out, you really don't want to get anything on it either. I'll sit right here in the back. You're going to want to slide your tire forward, and then you want to just take your chain off, just like a bicycle tire. Take your chain off. And there's my spacer getting ready to come out. Just wiggle it. And now what are you doing? Last time I didn't have this problem. It just fell out. There we go. There she's out. Set that to the side. There you go. Very simple. And like I said, I'm going to take these spacers out so I do not lose them. And I need to put these someplace where I know where they go. Set one there. Set that one right there. And that's how you take a tire off. Oh, and definitely do not lay the tire on this side where you have your thing here. Lay it on this side, because your brake pad will not be hurt if you lay this on the side, because this tire will protect it. But now if you go to lay this on the side, this sticks out past the wheel and you're going to damage this. So have a good one, guys. Hopefully I will put up another one once I get the new tire put on. And as you can see, these tires are pretty much gone. I mean, this is bald here in the center, and it's already smoothing out here. There was a couple places on here that the starting to get holes. Here you go, right here. See if you can see them. Like right there. And right there. See, it's starting to come apart on me. So I knew it was time for me to get a new tire. So there you go. Have a good one. And like always, if you like this video and you want to keep updated, always hit that forever like button. I'm always appreciated to it. And my contest is still going on. Don't forget to like and comment on that video, which is my contest video, and make sure you're a subscriber. And that's all you gotta do. Have a good one.